Hi all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be solving another lead code problem which belongs to SQL 50 series on LinkedIn, on lead code. So the problem number is 1378. Replace employee ID with the unique identifier. Okay, so in the problem statement, if we look at here, we have two tables. One is employee, other one is EmployeeUNI. And the employee table has two columns, ID and name, where ID is the primary key and each row of this contains the ID and the name of the employee in the company. And let's just look at the other table that we have, which is employee unique, which also has two columns. One is ID and other one is unique ID. Each row of this table contains ID and corresponding unique ID. So we need to write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Okay, so we need the unique ID and the name. Yeah, okay. So we'll just quickly take a look at the example given for us. This is the employee table. We have the IDs and name. And here we have 5 values. And the employee uni, we have the ID and the unique ID. Here we have 3 values. And if we join this, then we will definitely get null for the wherever it's not, the ID is not matching. And rest we will get the name of the employee. Okay, so we'll just start writing the solution. Select what we need in our output is unique ID and name. Select unique underscore ID comma name from. Now we have two tables, right? One is employees, so I'll just call it as employees E. So in the employees we're taking from this table, we're taking name, right? So let's just alias it employees, and we'll just join these two tables. Left join. The other table name is employee uni. Let's just call it EU. And from this table, employee unit table, what we're taking is unique ID, right? Yep, EU dot unique ID, right? Select this and this from employee label, left join on. What are the conditions? E dot ID is common between both the tables, right? So this will be a condition to join both of it. Yeah. So this query should work. So here we're just selecting what we need: employee ID, the unique ID and the name. And then we have from the employees table, we are getting this data and this data. Yeah, one thing we're using left join. We need to make sure like whatever we have on the left side, we're taking this full part and then whatever is matching from the right part. And wherever the values will not match, we will be getting null as the by default. And if we need to use the right join, right, we need to make sure like we are placing these tables correctly if we are using the right join. In our case, left join will work fine. So we are using left join. So you see, our solution is accepted. Let me just submit the query and see if in case if we're getting any error. Yeah. So you see, our solution is accepted, and this is the query that we need to write in order to solve this problem. Let me know your thoughts in the comment. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.